So here I have the 9-volt battery connector. I'm going to go ahead and put the battery on it. And I have wired the black wire to the black wire on the buzzer. That leaves these 2 red wires. And of course, when you put them together, that connects the circuit. So this is where we're going to put the switch. We're going to wire the switch to these 2 so we can open and close the circuit. And we have created a switch with your clothespin. And we will tie these 2 ends into the red wire. So now I've taken the 2 red wires and I have connected the switch. And you'll see when the clip goes together, the alarm goes off. So we have our fishing line tied to the cardboard, and the cardboard's in place. And it's set up kind of like a trip line, I guess you could say. So when you pull, the alarm goes off. You can hook the other end, tie the other end of the line to whatever you want. You could make this come out if you open any door, any trunk. You can even set it up as a trip line. And it works pretty good. So here's how I've set it up. There's my alarm. I've put on the side of the truck with Velcro, and you can see the switch comes up here, and I have my piece of cardboard that I've punched a hole in, and from there I have a piece of fishing line that I have attached to my tailgate. However you want to attach it, it's up to you. Each situation would be different, I imagine. So when I was on vacation, we had all of our gear in the back with large trunks, and if somebody got in the back end, they would still have to take the tailgate down in order to take the stuff out of the back. So I always tied it to the tailgate. Another good use for this is a water detector. I put a piece of aspirin in between here, It takes 1 drop of water to dissolve the aspirin, which of course the alarm goes off. I use this when I'm plumbing, such as a sink. I put the switch and the aspirin in a bowl underneath the sink, and then I can go about my business. And if a unexpected leak happens, when I step away, the aspirin will dissolve and could save a lot of money in water damage repair.